The Congress accuses BJP of mocking and defaming the party's guarantee schemes in its advertisements, but isn't Congress the flag bearer of advertising fake news during elections? I mean, whether it was Amit Shah's doctored video leveling false allegations against BJP over commission percentage in the Karnataka Assembly elections, Congress has tried every dirty trick to defame the BJP. So it was just 2 days back that Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah threatened and spoke about taking legal action against the BJP's Maharashtra unit, alleging that they are spreading lies over their 5 guarantee schemes in the state. In addition to this, Siddaramaiah stated that all their 5 guarantees have been effectively implemented in the state, benefiting crores of people. But isn't this a misleading claim by Mr. Siddaramaiah? Because Karnataka Congress's own minister D.K. Shivkumar last year stated that their government is left with no money for development in the state because they have allocated all the money for fulfilling pre-poll guarantees. In fact, Karnataka Congress has themselves failed to fulfill their 5 promises in totality. For instance, if I talk about the Anna Bhagya scheme, through which the party promised to give 5 kilograms free rice to every person from low-income families, then let me tell you that the Congress government has failed to credit the accounts of 1.08 crore beneficiaries in the months of July last year and about 73 lakh beneficiaries, that is 24.44 lakh cards, in the month of August. The Congress government had cited several issues like document verification and dormant bank accounts for the same. Is this how the Karnataka Congress seeks to fulfill its pre-poll promises made to people? In fact, surprisingly, the Karnataka government is using SC/ST funds to fulfill their poll promises. Well, even Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar last week on Saturday, while flashing a local Marathi newspaper to show BJP's advertisement, stated that BJP is following their Karnataka guarantee promise model in Maharashtra by offering incentives to women in the state. But then the point must be noted that Mahayuti is not duping the people of Maharashtra or snatching the funds from SC/ST communities to fulfill their promised guarantees. Also, if Karnataka Congress is justifying their guarantees during elections as mere poll promises, then why do they turn Mahayuti's promises in Maharashtra as revdi? Well, they must answer. Also, let me tell my viewers that as per media sources, the Karnataka Lokayukt has given a clean chit to Bommai government over Karnataka Congress fake allegations stating that BJP took 40% commission in awarding contracts to contractors just on the basis of an allegation made by a contractor against the then Bommai-led state government. So we all can see how just ahead of the assembly elections in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the Congress ecosystem has once again started making misleading and fake allegations against BJP's election campaign and watering down their unkept promises of various pre-poll guarantees. It's important to evaluate the performance of Congress party's pre-poll promises front, as a Congress has bad records of fulfilling pre-poll promises for decades.